Unexpected, pero you can't deny. Yan ang chemistry na Nazairel Manabat at Kyle Echari sa celebratory launch ng first ever lead movie ng aktres na 18th Rose na mapapanood na ngayong araw sa Netflix. Maski raw silang dalawa, na sorpresa.
Kami ni Kyle. Tapos sabi, kasi never ko po na-imagine na magpe-pair up kami ni Kyle. Kita ko yung Kuya C dyan eh. Kita ko yun, yung may iba namin naka-work. Kyle, wow! Parang, uy, saan galing yun? Parang sobrang random po. Pero at the same time, since nung na-explain na nga po yung story, Amboy, ganyan, wala rin naman po akong ibang makita na gaganap aside Kyle. So yun, natawa lang po talaga ako. Tapos habang kinukuhanan din namin, or first day, or first meet namin, yung mga story, script reading, talaga kami, ganun lang kami ng ganun.
Iba pala tayo ng reaction.
Sorry. Okay. Si Kyle
Ako naman, when I got the whole story, they told me the story of Rose, story of Jordan, everything. Tapos sabi ni Direk, so sana umuo ka. Sabi ko, Direk, sino po muna si Rose? Sabi si Cyril, sabi ko, uy, game! Sabi ko, oo naman, bakit hindi? Nag-iisa yan eh. To work with Cyril, bakit hindi? And I got so excited for her. Kasi alam ko, this is her first leading lady na at I know there's so many people waiting for Cyril's first leading lady role. Kasi talagang deserve niya. And it's such an honor to be your first leading man. So,
Bibida sila as Rose at Jordan sa coming-of-age romantic drama tungkol sa first love at womanhood. Set in beautiful Romblon na 12 hours ang biyahe via Roro para mapuntahan lamang.
where Jordan and Rose would create their love story. And sobrang ganda kasi ng Romblon. And people don't know enough about it eh. At sobrang natutuwa ako na pinayagan kami ng Netflix mag-shoot doon.
Sobrang blessed lang din po kami na hindi lang yung story namin yung pinapakita namin sa world. Kumbaga yung kagandahan din ng Romblon.
Pagkatapos ng event, hindi pinalampas si Cyril ang pagkakataong sagutin ang viral post at caption ng isang TNVS driver na nagpa-picture sa kanya habang papunta siya sa trabaho. Aaksyonan niya raw ito.
I'm really vocal about protecting women, protecting me against any sexual assault or sexualizing women. Hindi ko yan papalagpasan. Of course, hindi dapat nagiging entertainment yan in any forms. And at the same time, I hope the platform or the app should do something about this. And imagine kung gaano kahirap yung buhay ng isang babae. Nagtrabaho ka lang, may nagpa-picture lang sa'yo. You're just being kind, you're just being a human, a decent human being. As far as I could remember, ang bait-bait ko sa kanya, nagtip pa nga ata ako.
Kaya si Cyril, isusulong talaga ang pagiging babaeng palaban.
There's nothing to be scared or to be afraid of.
Sinira niya yung debut ni Cyril.
It's okay. Hindi niya sisirain.
Nakakalakas pa yan.
Nagpa-fuel lang siya ng reason for us to be more brave and for us to be to spread more awareness about this kind of topic.
Go Cyril! O diba, congratulations dahil i-air na po globally ang kanyang first lead project, ang 18th Rose with Kyle Echari sa Netflix.